Hey, what's up, Kendall? This is a quick demo video for you for your Phoenix Props Sentinel. I just got it done. Most of it last night, but then I just wrapped it up early this morning. So this is installed with a Verso board, static battery with a recharge port. So you get to everything here from the Pummel Cap. So this unscrews. Now it only goes in, about 2 threads or so when the kill key is in. So if you have a lower profile kill key, maybe that'll help. But this is a pretty low profile kill key that I printed, just the nature of the chassis, that this isn't going to screw all the way in until you pull that thing out. So that way this PCB will make contact with these pins right here. So a couple things I noticed on this guy. First of all, we'll go over the Pummel Cap since I got this in my hand. The PC or the powder coating on this ring right here seem to have fused in the threads to the Pummel Cap. So that took quite a bit of doing to get this piece loose so that I could install the speaker, because the speaker holder gets the speaker put in, and then it gets put in from this side basically to this separate threaded piece. I can just take it off right here actually. Now that I got it loose, it will come off. But so there you go. There's your speaker, your holder. It slides into this aluminum guy, and then everything gets screwed onto the Pummel Cap. So played a little bit of, trying to break this loose. Was a little interesting, but got it. So there's that. And then while we're on the outside, these screws, so 3 of these screws, the heads were pretty much stripped. So I was able to get them out, get everything wired up, and then the difficult part was getting them back in. But I got them in the best as I could. Everything's looking good there. Just, that probably took about an hour to get those 4 guys out, and then about another 45 minutes to get them back in, just because of the stripped heads on 3 of these guys. So those are the 2 things I ran into. Not a big deal, but just worth mentioning. Otherwise, I would have had this done probably, yesterday afternoon. But got it all taken care of now. So we'll want to pull the kill key. You're obviously not going to hear the boot up sound until you, you're going to put the speaker in. You're not going to catch that boot up sound unless you're really quick. And then activation. Smooth swing. Hold it down to turn it off. And then I've got a little test blade here, so we'll pop this guy in so that you can see everything works. It does take a 1-inch diameter blade. It's a bit of a tight fit in there. So for the purpose of this demo video, I'm not going to use the blade retention screw, but if you do ever want to use it, it's this guy right here. I just have it backed out to put the blade in. So we'll turn it on. Double tap the activation button. You gotta do it really fast to change color. Flash on flash working good. Changing color is good. And then hold it down and turn it off. And then we'll just, basically take the Pummel Cap off and put the kill key back in. And then you can see, hopefully you can see in the camera there, easy access to your board, to your Verso board. So there's no micro USB on this guy. It's just a matter of getting to your SD card. So anyway, that is your hilt, sir. I got the hilt kind of early, but then you sent me the chassis separately. I got the chassis on the 25th, so it's the 30th today. So got this complete, 5 days after having all of the parts. So I hope it turned out the way you like, and I will get it packaged up today. Thank you.